Hey, how's it going, investors and traders? It is Jose Reyno. So back with another Robinhood portfolio update, daily update. I didn't record yesterday because I was pretty busy, but I might as well record today. And as you see, my portfolio is at $15,072.40, up 1.71%, which is $252.61. It went up a little bit after hours, 0.37%, which is just $55.67. And the main reason why I really wanted to record this video is because I will talk about why I won't be buying anything right at this moment of where the markets are right now. So specifically, we're going to be looking at the SPY here. We're going to be looking at the past few past few months, and see why I believe the markets are going up way too fast and all the good deals are basically gone. Just look at it. In the past 3 months, we have basically risen from the lows of about 220s and we're at 286 now. That's like the quickest bounce back ever, and it's actually kind of predictable that we've been seeing a quick bounce back. But the thing that hasn't been predictable is when the next drop it will be, which most people thought would be here, most people thought would be here, most people think it's like soon, and maybe it won't be soon, maybe we'll just keep going up. And but the reason why I said it's kind of reasonable why the market's bouncing back quickly is because the stock market did drop from highs of 330s, high 330s, all the way down to 220s. So that's a huge drop right there, and it only happened in about a month. Yeah, in about a month it dropped 30%, and from March 23rd all the way to April 17th, it's almost been a month from it going from its lows to basically up a whole lot. And that's the reason why I'm up a lot on my new positions, specifically these few ones that I bought: Planet Fitness, Microsoft, Shopify, Apple, AMD. These ones I've specifically am up big time. Let's actually look at some of the positions that I have. And this is the reason why I'm not really trying to buy anything. You see, my average cost for AMD is $41.45. And right now AMD is at $56, so I'm up $14 or $15 per share on this one. So I'm up 36.33%. And if we look at that 3 month, look at that. It's basically back to where it's at, almost there. It's almost at $60, which is crazy. And another thing that really surprised me was Shopify. Shopify is back. It's basically at all-time highs. If we look at Shopify, yeah, Shopify is basically all-time highs. $590 when I bought it at $338. That is crazy. That is more than a $250 gain per share. I'm almost up 100% on this one by itself. That's insane. And just some companies like Amazon, mostly the ones that are online, they are getting better. They are making more money in at this time. People can't go out, so they're online buying stuff. Shopify is taking advantage of it, and I wasn't really predicting this at all, really, and that's just crazy. And look at that. That's why I won't be buying Shopify. Let's look at Apple. Let's see how Apple's doing. And even Apple, I think I'm up quite a bit. As you see, it says right here that I'm up $184 cash money. My average cost is $235 and it's $281. Like, I wouldn't buy another Apple share right now because that would just bring my average cost up way higher than it is right now at $235. Let's look at some more of the new ones that I bought. Let's see. Microsoft. Let's see Microsoft. I have 3 shares of Microsoft. I'm up basically 30%. My average cost is $137. That's $40 per share that I'm making right now. Why would I buy another one? It just wouldn't make any sense to me. I'm just waiting. Right now the strategy for me is I probably won't be buying any more puts, depending on how much, if it bounces. If the markets keep going up, then I will keep losing money. I'm up down 30% total on this. and that really doesn't bother me that much. It's just a thing to hedge my position just in case the markets do go down. I'll be able to make some money on the way down instead of just my portfolio losing value. But right now my portfolio is gaining value way more than this is losing value. And when my portfolio goes down, it will be losing a lot more value, but at least I'll be making some cash on the side. And that's a little thing that I have going on. But most likely, once I sell off of the SPY put, this SPY put, I won't be buying any more. The only thing I would be doing is keeping cash on the side. Haven't been buying anything. Right now, it says I have 5,800 buying power. So whenever the markets do decide to go down, most likely, if it doesn't go down anytime soon, it will eventually go down. That's what I'm thinking. And if it doesn't go down, that would be just surprising to me. That if it doesn't go down, it just wouldn't make any sense to me. And if it takes a long time, like in the 2008, 2009, what happened in 2008 and 2009, then it'll be even better for me because I'll just keep buying more when it goes down. That's actually what I would think would be the best scenario if it would take a little bit longer to go down than what it did in the past month before this little bull run that we're on right now. Because that was just out of nowhere crazy. I ran out of money really quickly in the beginning, thinking it wouldn't drop as low as it did, and it just kept dropping like a falling knife. But now that I have some cash on the side, if the markets decide to go take a few months to drop, that means I'll be able to put in more money because more months for me to work and more money for me to keep saving and putting into the market. So the longer it takes would be better for me. Would probably be the best in my situation. It would be the best for the markets to take maybe like a few months more. Maybe I'll be able to add a few $1,000s in. I had to get really low prices because, as you see, the markets do bounce back quickly once it even sees a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. And right now, Planet Fitness, I'm up 18% when I was down up almost 50% on this. At one point, I was close to getting down 50% on Planet Fitness. And now I'm up 18% just like that. And Planet Fitness is closed. It's been closed the whole time. I don't understand this, man. I don't understand. And we're just basically going to see my total return. You see, the only ones that I'm down on is Uber, and I'm down on Uber just a little bit, and my cannabis holdings. Uber and my cannabis holdings. Everything else, I'm up in the green, basically by more than 100, except for these few ones right here. I wish these could just keep dropping slowly and steadily so I can buy more and more. That's the plan for me. I just want to make a short little video on why I won't be buying anything, because I'm up on many positions right now and I don't want to average up. I want to average down. That's the goal for me, is to average down. And it's just too expensive right now. Too much uncertainty for me to be buying things at these levels when I feel like the market should be going down. And I feel like the markets are overvalued right now. They're not seeing the whole picture. And that's why I won't be buying anything at these levels. I will only be buying more once the markets go down. So please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. I'll be posting videos almost every single weekday, weekends. On occasion, I do post a video here and there if I miss some during the week. Other than that, I'm out.